Hi, welcome to week 4. You are halfway finished with the course. This week we're going to dive into personality. You're actually going to take the Myers-Briggs personality assessment and look at the results and talk about how that relates to career and how that might help you. Some of you might have taken the Myers-Briggs personality assessment before. It's actually one of those assessments, when we talk about it in psychological assessment terms, it's not actually very valid or reliable because of the fact you can get different results if you take it multiple times. However, I do think it's a valuable tool in thinking about how your personality does connect to career and keeping that in mind as you explore different careers. So it's actually a really fun assessment. You might end up having your friends or family take the assessment. It's a free one online. So we're going to be talking about personality and exploring that, and then using another online internet tool to begin to do some more research. So again, exposing you to one of the tools you'll be using for your final research project. So I'm excited that you all made it. We're halfway, so let's get started on Module 4.